Hey, it's me. I'm doing, pretty much Lego mobs that are Transformers. Now, they don't actually transform, I'm not that smart. Now, if you can tell me who this is gonna be in the comment section below, down there. Now, if you can, the first one, you have to be the first one to guess the right answer of who this is going to be. And if you guess the right answer, you're going to get this. You're going to get a Transformers Prime McDonald's toy. And this is the one you're going to get, Optimus Prime. Now, if any of you want this is something I have absolutely no care for. And if you haven't gotten the Prime McDonald's toy, this is what it does. He lights up. So, if you want this, you have to be the first one to leave the right answer of who this is going to be in the comment section. Now, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you want this, I would suggest that you hurry up and put the answer in. Hurry up and do so. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. And leave the right answer.